Listen, the easy to wear wigs, glueless lovers, y'all gonna love this because look, y'all see that hairline? And I didn't use no product. She's a glueless wig. Keep on watching to see how I installed it. Hey beauties, this wig is from Yolissa Hair and this is what all came inside of the box. I did end up using everything that came inside of it except for this little elastic piece because we're not melting this wig down. We're wearing her glueless. This is the wig and it is 180% density, 5x5 and 24 inches. It came pre-cut. It came bleached knots. All I had to do was put it on, add a little bit of foundation shade, and I was ready to go. As you guys can see, it is a body wave texture and they come in like this preset curl, so when you comb it out it gives you body wave. That was how it looks before the makeup, and this is me. I'm looking a little dusty, but we about to get right, okay? I am going to be installing this wig very easy girl, lazy girl friendly. I didn't feel like putting no braids in my head. I do still kind of have a baby silk press, like it's not completely straight, but I am working with straight hair, so why not just go ahead and put it in a low ponytail, and I'm going to apply this wig. I did go ahead and apply wig cap, and I wanted to see how it looked before I added any makeup. As you guys can see, I do need to tint this lace, and that is okay. I am going in with my even lace tint, and I'm going to apply that to the very start of the hairline alongside my Laura Mercier tinted moisturizer. That's what I have on my hand right there, and that's a great combo for me. I did end up getting the spray even later on after this video, but for now, y'all gonna see it's definitely gonna do what it's supposed to do, all right? Tinting your lace is a great hat to make it more seamless, especially if you're wearing it glueless with no product. As you guys can see right there, it's blending a little bit better, but just watch when I put it on my head. I did notice I need to go in with the wig on my head and just go ahead and change out my wig cap. I ended up putting on a brown wig cap and going in with a little bit more of my makeup to blend it on that. As I'm putting this makeup on, y'all, this lace is melting down. Unmelted. No what? No gel, no glue, no spray. Like, that's all I had to do was apply my foundation shade. It's very beginner friendly. If you do not own a foundation shade, you guys can go to your local beauty supply store and try out some even products or lace tint products and find a shade that is closest to your skin tone, not too light or not too dark. And that is the key to making it look a little more flawless. I like to go in with my hot comb just to lay down some of those flyaways, and it helps to get the wig more flat, and you know the girlies love a flat wig. When working with closure wigs, this is my hack. So pull out some of the hair near where the lace and the actual wig starts and hot comb that down. It just helps to hide that line of demarcation where the closure stops and start, especially if you're not doing baby hairs. That's my hack. We're literally 3 minutes into this video and I'm done, y'all. It came ready to wear except for a little bit of makeup on the lace, and that is all I had to do. I'm so thankful for this wig. Shout out to Yolissa Hair, y'all. All the information on this hair will be down below, so if you want to check it out, make sure you check it out. And look at that lace, y'all. No baby hairs. Shout out to the no baby hair lovers. I think I'm joining y'all team soon because look at how she's looking. This is a look at the hair in the back. I was feeling it at this point, y'all. I was definitely feeling it. I just had to do the little comb trick like what all the glueless girlies be doing, and just, you know, one time for the one time, we're gonna lift this lace right on up so y'all see it is glueless, and I'm gonna put her right back down to show you she's laid. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm at the point in the video where I'm gonna go. I talked through this whole thing, but y'all was like, she just talking. Well, it was that easy. I needed to talk to y'all so y'all can know it was that easy. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you found this video helpful, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, beauties.